Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create simple logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Use Star tool to draw a triangle shape. Points 3. Use Direct Selection tool to select anchor points and go to Object menu and cut. Again, use Direct Selection tool to line extension. Stroke weight cutting point. Go to Object menu and Path and Outline Stroke. Go to View menu and Rulers and Show Rulers. Control R. Use rulers to align shape with the Direct Selection tool. Rotate to 120 from Properties panel. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Rotate to 0 from Properties panel. Again copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Rotate to 240 from Properties panel. Adjust manually. Graded panel. Ctrl F9. Left graded slider color R89 G0 B51 and right graded slider color R238 G42 B123. You can adjust gradient fill color with the gradient tool. Shortcut G. Click on reverse gradient in the gradient panel. You can pick gradient fill color with eyedropper tool. Shortcut I. You can adjust corner of the logo with the triangle shape for align shape. Use direct selection tool to align shape. Finally, your simple logo is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create vector logo design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.